Many times people say, well, what exactly is the difference between term life insurance and whole life insurance? And what I often like to tell them is that we think of it in terms of the difference between renting a home and owning a home. You see, when you rent a home, you're not building any equity, you're making payments, but you know that you're going to have to make a decision when that term or that lease comes to an end. You might have the option to renew, but you might have to renew under some new guidelines. It might even be more expensive. You have not built any equity in what you have been paying toward. Versus if you own a home, you're building equity. Every time you make your mortgage payment, you're building equity. And once you make that final mortgage payment, that home is yours as long as you want to keep it. It's yours until. Well, that's the same way we think of term life insurance versus whole life insurance. Term life insurance is only for a period of time. And when that period of time comes to an end, you will have the option to renew, but you're going to have to renew maybe under some new guidelines because you might be older, right? And that's going to cost a little bit more. You may not have to have the physical, but you're going to have to adhere to the new pricing guidelines. And at the end of things, you may not get your money back. Now, what I will say is that there are return of premium policies now where you can get all of the money that you've paid into a term policy at the end. So that's a little bit different. But when you come to whole life insurance, every time you make your premium payments, you're building sort of equity in that policy. You're building cash value. And as long as you keep making your payments, that policy is going to be in effect. And nowadays, the policies last until age 121, which we can all probably say, we are going to call that our whole life.
Oh, Christine Jones by your side, insurance tailored just for you. From 2 weeks to 89, we'll find the perfect view. Carriers and products galore, we've got it all in store. Permanent term or final expense, you'll be secure, that's for sure.